Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to discuss the Winnebago Vista Class A line of motorhomes. The Winnebago Vista offers a luxurious interior with a long list of features and amenities, as well as the excellent quality every Winnebago product is known for. The Vista offers 4 different floor plans, ranging from nearly 29 feet to almost 33 feet in length. There are 2 floor plans with 2 slides and 2 floor plans with a single full wall slide. All 4 feature a pedestal table up front and an optional 48 by 80-inch powered studio loft bed. The 2 models with the full wall slide are the 29VE and the 31BE. Overall, the 2 are similar, with the full wall slide located on the driver's side of the unit. In the 29VE, the slide houses a 40 by 66-inch sofa bed with 2 seatbelts, the kitchen, a wardrobe, pantry, and other storage. The queen bed is in the rear of the unit, and there's a 42 by 66-inch dinette with 3 seatbelts on the camp side of the RV. In the 31BE, the slide houses a 42 by 73-inch dinette with 3 seatbelts and a TV over it, the majority of the kitchen, a wardrobe, some additional storage, and 30 by 73-inch bunk beds. Again, the queen bed is in the rear of the unit, and on the camp side of the motor coach is the bathroom, refrigerator, and 40 by 66-inch sofa bed with 2 seatbelts. The double slide models include the 27PE and the 32YE. Let's start with the 27PE. This floor plan offers 2 slides on the driver's side of the RV. The one at the rear of the RV houses a 72 by 75-inch king-size bed. The slide up front has the range, oven, double basin sink, and 42 by 73-inch dinette with 2 seatbelts in it. Across from that is the refrigerator, pantry, and 40 by 66-inch sofa bed with 2 more seatbelts. The 32YE also has a slide-out 72 by 75-inch king bed. However, the slide is on the camp side. Across from the bed is a large wardrobe and chest of drawers. The bathroom is technically a walk-through bath. However, there is a door to close off just the toilet and sink. The slide in the main living area is located on the driver's side and houses a 42 by 68-inch dinette with 3 seatbelts and a 40 by 66-inch sofa bed with 2 seatbelts. On the camp side is the kitchen with large countertop prep space, and you can get an optional 4-door refrigerator if you choose. Let's move on from the floor plans to the features of the Vista. It's equipped with a long list of features you'll love, including LED lighting, MCD roller shades, an optional exterior kitchen for tailgating or just grilling. The interior of the Vista is an extremely nice place to be, with beautiful residential style cabinetry, Primera upholstery, soft touch ceiling, and seamless countertops. Each floor plan offers plenty of options for you to choose from, allowing you to make the Vista fit your needs and lifestyle. Now that we've gone over the floor plans and features, it's time to move on to how the Vista is built. Each Vista gets Winnebago's venerable superstructure, which offers a precision-cut steel structure with a steel firewall for maximum protection. Winnebago offers thermal panel sidewalls, a fiberglass roof, metal substructures, and an electro-deposition coating to help protect key parts. Winnebago builds many of the components found in the Vista in-house. The showers, holding tanks, furniture, and most aluminum and steel pieces in the coach are all manufactured at the Winnebago facility. Where most manufacturers have to buy these parts pre-manufactured, Winnebago gets full control over design and quality. From there, every Vista goes through a rigorous quality control inspection to ensure every coach meets Winnebago's high standards. From design and manufacturing to a proprietary test track built to put an RV through the most brutal conditions, it's this special attention to detail that makes Winnebago stand out from the rest. As you can see, the Vista is an excellent gas motor coach. It offers wonderful amenities at an affordable price. If you're looking to make the move to a Class A, I certainly recommend taking a test drive in a Winnebago Vista.